It's time to get obsessed.
We don't quit on ourselves, we are obsessed with finishing it.
Flat abs, firm sculpted booty, a total body transformation.
Ask yourself, how bad do you want this?
They said it couldn't be done in just 80 days, but guess what? We did it. And if you want to get healthy, lean, and strong with just 80 days of work, I'm gonna help you succeed step by step with 80-Day Obsession.
Show me how bad you want it. That booty takes work. I'm sorry, but it's just fantastic.
80-Day Obsession has been a complete game changer.
I have seen tremendous changes in my body.
I'm getting stronger every single day. And I feel like I could take on the world.
Fight for it, make it count, be obsessed with finishing it. This is such a breakthrough. Getting results like these doesn't take hours in the gym, and there's no starvation or cutting out food groups.
I needed something that was going to push me past my comfort zone and change me, and this program did that.
You want to know the secret? It's a different workout every day for 80 days, and an approach to eating that feeds the body perfect portions at the right time.
You just have to keep trying your best.
I created a program that works for me, and I know it will work for you. It's 80 brand new workouts in 80 days. No reruns, no guessing.
The whole purpose of filming 80 workouts is to stay off of that plateau.
I'm gonna be there with you every single day, just like if you hired me as your own personal trainer. My fitness and nutrition clients would pay over $2,500 for this kind of daily instruction. But you are gonna start with me for so much less than that. And I guarantee you fast results, or you don't pay.
Load it up, here we go.
It's amazing to do this in real time with us. When you're sore, we're sore too. When we tell an inside joke, you're in on it.
3, call pineapples. 2, no pineapples. If you ever hear them called pineapples, it's their safe word. They want to be done.
You get the convenience of being at home, but you feel like you're right in the gym with us as I train you day by day using 6 workout types that I customize to get faster progress every week and to get you results so fast, you'll get obsessed.
Everything kind of was just shrunken in. And I definitely have biceps now. I have abs. Actually, never seen these guys before. Like, hi, this is a first for us. Nice to meet you.
I'm also letting you in on my transformation secret called Time Nutrition. I teach you every aspect of meal planning with easy to follow tutorial videos. This is my personal nutrition schedule for getting maximum results, and this is the first time I've ever made it available to anyone other than my private clients.
In 80-Day Obsession, it isn't just about what you eat, it's about when you're eating it.
Time to eating really intimidated me at first, but to be honest, it has added so much structure to my life. Autumn tells you exactly what to eat, when to eat it, and she gives you lists of foods that you can have. It could not be easier.
And we use breakthrough compound movements to target your booty and abs with the Beachbody loops and sliders.
String pulls her up and lets her down.
So if you're ready to get obsessed and get amazing, dramatic, visible results like I got, join me in the cast Monday, January 15th to start the total body transformation you're going to be obsessed about.
I see changes almost every week, and that is what's really making me obsessed.
This program is going to change so many lives. Look what it did.
I have finally been able to lean out through my core, and I have gotten my booty back.
This is all about a healthy obsession while achieving the best version of you possible and seeing just how far you can take yourself in the next 80 days. Let's do this.
80-Day Obsession is exclusive to Beachbody On Demand and comes with over $2,500 in value, including tutorial videos to get you started the right way, plus 80 original workouts and Autumn's complete Time Nutrition food plan, food tracker sheets, recipes, and week-by-week motivational videos with Autumn and the cast called Weekly Obsession. And if you're not completely satisfied with the program, you don't pay.
When everybody else would say no, you say yes.
80-Day Obsession, starting January 15th, 2018. Contact your Team Beachbody coach.